Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Let's be real. Saving money is hard. Life is expensive, and it feels like the cost of everything is going up. Whether you're working toward getting out of debt, building an emergency fund, or just trying to stop living paycheck to paycheck, saving money can feel overwhelming. The biggest hurdle? Unexpected expenses. You think you've got your budget under control and then, boom, your car breaks down. A surprise medical bill lands in your inbox, or your rent suddenly increases. These moments can destroy your momentum. And don't even get me started on impulse spending. Maybe it's a flash sale online or a late-night food delivery. It's easy to fall into those traps when you're stressed or tired. Inflation doesn't help either. Groceries, gas, utilities, prices just keep climbing. All of these make saving feel out of reach. But let me tell you something important. Saving money isn't just about what you do. It's also about how you think. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, saving can feel impossible. But here's the truth. Even if you start with just $5 or $10, building the habit is more powerful than the amount. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. That's where financial literacy comes in. If you don't understand how money works, it's easy to feel stuck. But once you learn how to make a plan, track your expenses, and control your spending, it gets easier and more empowering. Now let's get into the practical stuff. The tips and tools that helped me actually save $100 in just 7 days. I started by downloading a free budgeting app. There are so many out there, like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or even apps like Rocket Money that track subscriptions. These apps let you see exactly where your money is going. Spoiler alert. I found out I was spending over $50 a week just on random takeout and energy drinks. Once I saw the numbers, I made quick changes, and just that alone saved me nearly $30. The 50-30-20 rule changed how I think about spending. 50% of your income goes to needs, like rent, bills, groceries. 30% goes to wants, eating out, Netflix, etc. 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. If you earn $1,000 a week, that means $200 should go to savings. Even if you can't hit those exact percentages right away, the goal is to get closer each week. I picked 3 days out of the week where I didn't spend a single dollar. No coffee runs, no online orders, nothing. Instead, I used what I already had at home. This small shift saved me at least $40 in 1 week. Instead of buying lunch or ordering out, I meal prepped. I made a big batch of rice, beans, chicken, and veggies, and it lasted me for 4 days. I also used grocery store loyalty apps to find discounts and digital coupons. That saved me another $15 to $20 easily. I realized I was subscribed to 3 streaming platforms and barely using any of them. I paused 2 and kept only the one I watched the most. Boom, $25 in savings right there. At the end of the week, I had saved just over $110. And it didn't feel like a sacrifice, it felt empowering. Here's the thing, saving money is not about deprivation. It's about intention. Once you see how small actions can snowball into real results, you start to feel more in control of your life and your future. Let's recap some fast and easy wins. Use budgeting apps to track spending. Try the 50-30-20 rule for a simple financial structure. Plan no-spend days during the week. Meal prep to avoid takeout temptation. Cancel or pause unused subscription. Now it's your turn. Can you save $100 in a week? Try these tricks and let me know how it goes. Drop your results in the comments, or share your own best money-saving hacks. I'd love to feature some in an upcoming video. And if you're ready to take your finances to the next level, don't miss my next video on Budgeting for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. It's packed with everything you need to build a budget that actually works for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss another tip that can change your financial life. Thanks for watching. Now go crush that $100 savings challenge. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Likes, comments, subscriptions.